Welcome to today's video, Understanding Credit Cards, Basics for Beginners. As we navigate through the financial world, it becomes crucial to understand what credit cards are, how they operate, and how they can benefit us. They can seem overwhelming, but worry not. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped with all the knowledge you need to begin your journey. A credit card is a payment card issued by a financial company giving the cardholder the option to borrow funds, usually at point of sale. It allows you to make purchases by borrowing money up to a certain limit. The important thing to remember here is, it's essentially a loan from your bank. Your credit limit is the maximum amount of credit offered to you by the bank. It is based on several factors, including your ability to pay back the borrowed amount. Remember, it is not free money, it's a loan, and it has to be paid back. Interest rates, usually noted on an annual basis known as the annual percentage rate, APR, are the cost of borrowing or the price that you pay for using the bank's money. These rates can vary depending on the credit card and the bank. Credit cards come with certain fees and penalties if not handled correctly. These may include annual fees, late payment fees, and foreign transaction fees. Make sure to understand these fees before choosing your card. One of the most crucial things about credit cards is to pay your balance on time. Late payments can lead to penalties, increased interest rates, and a negative impact on your credit score. It's all about responsible usage. Credit cards can be a powerful financial tool when used responsibly. They can help build credit history, offer rewards and cashback, and provide convenience and security. Remember, knowledge is power. Use it wisely.